Good afternoon, everybody. Beautiful snowy day out here in the woods. I'm just chasing a pileated woodpecker up there. Tapping on all the poplar trees, trying to find some frozen grubs. Good luck to them. And enjoying the beautiful snow that's hanging in the tree limbs and branches today. Just see if we can get some shots. I'm out here wandering around. We've got the A7R4, 60 megapixels of goodness with the Tamron 150 to 500 lens. So I can kind of do bird shots at a distance. I can do close-up stuff with this lens. It covers everything. So just gonna wander around and see what we can find in the woods today with the beautiful snow cover. You know, this can be a very hard time of year on photographers. It's dark, it's gloomy, hardly any animals around. And you have to kind of keep in mind what is here and work with what is here, which are woodpeckers, the fox is here year-round, a few owl species, lynx, rabbits. You know, that's about what you're going to see during the day. Maybe a coyote occasionally. But winter conditions are so tough because you can't sneak up on anything. You walk through the snow out here and it's crunch, crunch, crunch. You basically have to ambush the same as we do, you know, when actually hunting. Pick a spot and wait for an animal to come out where you can see and get your shot with your camera. The problem with that is it's winter. It's so cold. You're sitting here, you're freezing your tuchus off. You know, minus 10 degrees doesn't seem that cold until you sit there for 40 minutes. Then you realize how cold it is. So winter can be a struggle up here just to get motivated and go out and film the beauty that's here. You know, some of the challenges that these cold conditions present, snow and water on your lens, you know, that's a big one. Keeping your gear dry so it doesn't freeze up. Batteries, that's probably the number one. Is I've always got to carry an extra battery in my pocket and keep it warm against my body and take it out and switch it, you know, halfway through a walk. You'll find that the batteries in your camcorder or your photo camera, after about 40 minutes out here, they will show, you know, a quarter of what's really there, and the batteries just don't like cold, so you have to keep swapping them out. You learn all of these things, you know, proper handwear, you know, something that you can use to access camera gear. You need gloves that have finger coverings, you know, but that can flip off. Little things like that you learn. There are a lot of challenges to winter photography, but it can lead to some beautiful shots. Not that I feel like I'm getting any particularly good shots today, but I'm out and I'm looking. Oh, cool. I've got some Pine Grossbeaks up here, male and female, red and yellow. They're way up there, but I'm going to try to get some shots. I wasn't expecting to see any of those guys because they haven't been to my feeder yet, so. But hey, that's cool. You know, like I said, you get out here and you go for a walk, you never know what you're going to see. I've got them now. They're down here a little lower to the ground feeding. So they're eating all the maple seeds. So I'm going to see if I can get some shots here.